Is it on? Guys, dry cleaners, dry cleaners.
Dry cleaners?
Yeah, behind dry cleaners. What? Go.
Move forward, I'm going.
Go.
Going that way.
Go, go. Where are they?
There, behind the car. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm hit. Go. Behind car, behind car.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And watch out, you're visible from window.
No, window behind you.
On the window behind you. Neither.
Go. Behind dry cleaners, dry cleaners.
You're all dry cleaners still?
There's one over there. Docks! One person at the docks!
Hey, see that box over there? Going behind it, the brown box.
I don't see it. Oh, hit. Behind you.
Hey, how about
Nope. They're coming in from Everglades. In half open garage. Come on, man. I heard those 3 shots land. We're down.
My hands are down, yeah.
Wait, are you in here? Yep. Just sit down. Gun up. Medic! Whoa. We're all dead. Ah, fucking piece of shit. Yo, hit! You fucking stupid, hit! We're all hit.
Hey, bro, come down, man. Sorry, man.
Dude, you fucking hit me. He's dead. You already fucking killed him.
Clear house! Clear! House clear! House clear! House clear! Clear! Out? Hey, you called it? Yeah, you called it. All right.
He said. He put his hand up.
House is clear! House is clear! House is clear! What? House is clear! BMC in the house! BMC in the house! Get in, guys! Clear it! Somebody there? All clear is the house. That's it. Hey, it's the house, baby. How long do we have to keep the house? Go, on me. How behind is the house? Go, hold the house. Don't give them a chance. Clear the house. Don't give them a chance to respawn. Push it. Watch the corners. Don't give them a chance to come in and respawn them. Running the house. Watch it going up. Game over. Game over.
Seriously, those guns are fucking running hot.
What? This one?
Oh, no, not you, the kid with the
blue shamag.
this shit. Close range in the forehead.
Oh, I got one too. Blue what? Blue what?
Yeah, but actually drew blood.
Blue what?
There's something between hitting somebody and fucking drawing blood.
See whose gun it is and throw it.
Oh, I know exactly who the hell it is.
Throw it. Show him who it is and throw it. Yeah.
Problem is, I've been getting everything from you guys because I also got this shit and that was for another person and on this arm too.
I got shot 2 weekends ago. I got shot 2 weeks ago over here on the forehead. That shit came a lot of blood out.
Like, bruises are fine, but fucking drawing blood.
I don't know, but he even friendly fired and the guy, his teammate was fucking complaining.
I'm anything with you. I just
No, I know.
He needs to.
Do you need to recon all mine or just pick?
Yeah, I gotta recon it. Yeah. I'll do it now.
It's M4. Take some for mine. Ernesto cut the spring down, so I hope it's still good.
The one with the gray shamar sitting on the bench by the wall. That was the one that got me in the forehead.